Today we're going to be playing a game called Puzzle Box. I've never played this game before. Well, I played it a little bit, but not too much. Ow! Huh? That's a different sound. So 3, 6. Now go left. 0. That was simple. Sorry, I hate ads. So now. Okay, so the code is 777 apparently. Okay. Nope. Oh. If I just need... Hint. 2 gems. XX YY or YYXX or XXXY or YYYX XXX. What's that supposed to mean? So I got everything to AAA, which means I wish I could just keep this one. I know the code is freaking. This is frustrating. No! Frick! I'm just pushing random buttons now. Give me another hint. 18 minutes for another hint. Okay, so as we can off on this off camera, look at the number 666. Oh, that is freaking creepy. Oh, that sends shivers down my spine. Oh, that is very freaking creepy. I'm so freaking close. I just need this one little freaking spot to move to 7. But which would only move 1? Oh, none of them move 1. So I freaking finally got that code. Now I need to do this one, which I have no idea. Huh? It's not letting me do anything. These can be tricky sometimes. By tricky, I mean sneaky. What? It's not letting me click anything. So, pink, purple, blue, orange, red, pink, yellow, blue. Oh! I see. You have to get these matched tokens. Save. I freaking hate puzzles. Ah! So I just finally figured out what you need to do. So blue and red equals purple, so the blue and red needs to be at the top, which then equals purple, and that is decrypted. Now I need to decrypt the orange, which probably means I need to get the red, this orange one, to where the red one is, and that will make the orange, I think. I don't know. Yes, now I need blue. Wait, no! All them freaking... Okay, I know what I need to do. Yes! Yes, I unlocked the safe. Yes. Wawa. Wait. This is an old Chinese puzzle. I never done a Chinese puzzle before. You can tell it's a Chinese puzzle by the symbols. The frog, the snake, the bird, and the cricket. And also by the 5 stone. I have to do them in a strange way. Yes! I know a lot about Chinese.
What's better than living in the Loud House?
So, this is like an Indian puzzle. What? Like that? Frick. This is a really simple puzzle. But it's hard. Wait. Is it? Frick. I'm gonna buy a hint. Okay. Connect all the lines without lifting. I'm buying more hints. Eh? I don't get it. I might be stuck on this one for a while. Oh. Start at the corner. I'm not lifting my finger though. If you guys can freaking figure this, just install this app, and if any of you can figure out this puzzle, just freaking comment down below. What? I can't connect these two. Frick. Shop. This is just going back into the seafood. Is there anything that might help me? Nope. I mean, this is real life. I just do it the easy way. Smash it. As you can, yeah, I can't freaking figure out the puzzle. Come on. Connect all the lines without lifting your finger. But I'm not lifting my finger. No! I'm not freaking lifting my finger, you piece of trash. No! Freaking ancient piece of junk thing. Screw you. Piece of trash. I quit. I give up.